In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. This process will guide you through each step necessary to complete your withdrawal efficiently. So begin, open your web browser, whether you are using Google Chrome, Firefox, or another browser. Make sure it is up to date for the best experience. Next, navigate to the Binance website by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once the site loads, you should see the Binance homepage, which prominently features options for buying and trading cryptocurrencies. After that, locate and click on the Buy Crypto button. This button is usually found on the top navigation bar and will direct you to the section where you can manage your funds. Once this appears, look for the withdraw option. This is typically listed alongside other options for managing your account and will lead you to the withdrawal section. Then click on Withdraw BIMs if you are withdrawing British pounds. This option will take you to a page specifically for pounds withdrawals. At this point, select the currency for your withdrawal. Click on the currency drop-down menu, which will display various currency options available for withdrawal. Next, choose GBP from the list. This selection confirms that you want to withdraw in British pounds, which is crucial for ensuring the correct withdrawal currency. After that, again, click on Currency to confirm your selection. This step is essential to ensure that your withdrawal details are set up correctly. Now, click on Receive Method. This option allows you to select how you would like to receive your funds. So be sure to choose the method that suits you best. Then select Bank Transfer, Swift VA, as your preferred receive method. This choice allows for a direct transfer to your bank account, which is usually the most convenient option. Finally, click on the Withdraw button to initiate the withdrawal process. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Keep in mind that the time it takes for the funds to reach your bank account can vary based on your bank's processing times and any applicable fees. Additionally, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Binance account to cover the withdrawal, as well as any fees that may apply. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.